Good morning friends, today we are going to discuss how to balance a chemical equation. Okay, in this topic we are going to do the how to balance a chemical equation. Before we knowing of that one, first you should know about why should balance a chemical equation. What is the necessity to do the balance a chemical equation? So because of according to law of conservation of mass, in the universe, in the world, neither mass created nor destroyed. Means, simple example, in a chemical reaction, the quantity of reactants is equals to quantity of products. The quantity of reactants is equals to quantity of products. For example, in a chemical reactions, we are using 2 kg of reactants and products will be also 2 kg. For example, if we use 2 kg of reactants, the products will be also 2 kg. Here, neither mass created nor destroyed. 2 kg of reactant is equals to 2 kg of products. This obeys the law of conservation of mass. That's why we should balance the chemical equation. We can go through one example. At that time we can understand very easily. Here, first example is methane reacted with oxygen. What are the products? Carbon dioxide and the water. See here, already we discussed, in a chemical reaction the quantity of reactants is equals to quantity of products. So here we can say LHS is equals to RHS. So see here, what are the elements are participated here? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here also carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. First you calculate, first you count how many atoms are present here. Here carbons are 1, here 4, here oxygens are 2. Okay, here carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygens 3. Okay, before you balance the chemical equation, you don't change the superscripts. You only change the subscripts which are before the symbol. So here carbons are 1. Here no need to change. Here hydrogens are 4. Here hydrogens are 2. Here the necessity of change. So how can we change here? So here already 4. Here higher number of hydrogen. So here no need to change. We have to change here. Here no need to change superscript. You have to change subscript. So you keep 2 here. Means 2 into 2, 4. Means 2 multiplier. You can multiply with 2 multiplier. So 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. Here 4 are equal. Here hydrogens 4. Here hydrogens 4. Both are equal. Next to go for the oxygen. Here 2. Here 2 plus 2, 4. How can you change? Here also higher number of oxygen. So here no need to change. We have to change here. What is the multiplier here? 2. Okay, here what is the oxygen number? 4. So here 1, 4, 4. Here 1, 4, 4. Both are equal. This type of equation is called balanced equation. Before of the balancing of equation, that is called unbalanced equation. After the balancing of equation, that is called balanced equation. Okay friends, first we discuss simple examples, simple chemical equation. Then after we can discuss some more harder examples. Okay, second is okay, NaCl, NaOH plus HCl. Okay, NaCl plus H2O. Okay, This is the base, this is the acid, this is the salt and the water. This type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Here already you know very well, LHS is equals to RHS, LHS is equals to RHS. How many sodiums are present? 1. How many oxygens? 1. How many hydrogens? 2. How many chlorines? 1. So see here, here also like this, NaO, hydrogen, chlorine. Here how many sodiums? 1. How many oxygens? 1. How many hydrogens? 2. How many chlorines? 1. Okay, see here, Na1, oxygen 1, oxygen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, chlorine 1, chlorine 1. Here that equation already balanced. Here no need to balance the equation. Okay, no need to balance the equation. This is also called balanced equation. This is also called balanced equation. Okay. The third example here. Okay, formation of water, from hydrogen and the oxygen. See here, how can we get the water generally from the hydrogen and the oxygen? What is the reaction here? What is the simple formula of hydrogen H2 plus oxygen O2? What is the formula of water H2? Okay, this is the way generally that water is formed. So here this is balanced equation or unbalanced equation. Okay, let me find it out. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, see here hydrogen and the oxygen. Here also hydrogen and the oxygen. See here, how many hydrogens? 2. How many oxygens? 2. Here how many hydrogens? 2. How many oxygens? 1. So here no need to change, here no need to change. You have to change in the place of oxygen. So here 2. Here higher number of oxygens are present. Here no need to change. Okay, you have to change here. So how can you change? You have to change like this, 2. So here into 2, here into 2. Okay, 2H2O. So if you while you change the number of oxygen, that hydrogen number also changed. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. At that time, how can you change this hydrogen number? You keep subscript as a 2, means like this, 2. Now hydrogen also 4, oxygen also 2, and hydrogen also 4, oxygen also 2. Both are balanced. Now this type of equation is called balanced equation.